Hello, boys and girls. So today we're going to be making artwork using repetition. Okay, repetition is a fancy way of saying the same thing happening over and over again, the same thing repeating. Now, sometimes if you repeat the same thing over and over again, you get a pattern. Like if I had circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square. That would be my pattern because it's repeating over and over again. Today we're going to find a shape and you're going to repeat it over and over again on your paper. We're going to do it in kind of a crazy way though that ends up looking more abstract or just like a bunch of random shapes and colors. It's not going to be an exact pattern. So my first step is to go around my house. I'm going to find something that has a shape I can trace. I might look for an interesting shape. It doesn't have to be a fancy shape. I could show you how this project will look just as cool if you use something as simple as a circle. So I'm going to go find something and then go over to my desk and show you how we're going to start tracing that to get repetition for our project. Alright, so I've got two different things here. You only need one, but I just wanted to show you how this project could look cool no matter what shape you choose. So for my first one, I kind of grabbed and cut a smaller piece of paper because this little bow is pretty tiny, and if I try and trace this on a huge piece of paper, it's going to take me all day. So I might make this into like a bookmark or something. But I've got this little piece of paper and this little hair bow that I'm going to trace that shape because I thought that was cool. And on this piece of paper here, I just have a cup, which is going to give me a circle, and that's going to look just as cool. So what I'm going to do, you're just going to trace this shape over and over again. When you're tracing, you're not going to keep them all in a line. You're going to work on kind of making it random and even overlapping some, so putting some on top of each other. So let's go ahead and speed this up, and you can watch me trace these shapes. Traced now. This one I just traced my bow with a crayon, and I'm going to show you, I might color this with crayons or colored pencils. This one I traced with marker, so I'm going to try something different. I'm going to grab a brush and some just plain water, and I'm going to start kind of going over these circles and see what happens. So you can go ahead and once you get your shape repeated and traced, repetition all over your papers, go ahead and add some color.